In this tutorial, we're going to learn the song Crazy by Gnarls Barkley, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon. We have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song together. Now to play the song Crazy, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 5 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are A minor, C major, F major, E7, and A major. Let's check out those chords together. So the first chord for this song is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is E7. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 4th string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. This is E7. And the last chord for this song is A major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A major. Now we're going to go over the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the A minor chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, down strum, go. Down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down. Now we're going to learn the chord progressions for this entire song, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. The first section is going to be for the verses and the choruses, and the second section is going to be for the bridges and the outro. So the first section, which again is for the verses and the choruses, it's just going to be A minor for 8 beats, C major for 8 beats, F major for 8 beats, and E7 for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's combine that chord progression with the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, down strum, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the second section, which again is for the bridges and the outro, it's going to be A major for 8 beats, F major for 8 beats, C major for 8 beats, and E7 for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, A major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's combine that chord progression with the string pattern. 1, 2, 1, to A major down strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know the chords, the chord progressions, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through crazy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I hope that you are having the time of your life. But think twice. That's my only advice. Come on now. Who do you think you are? Oh, bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. Just like me. Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for Crazy. And that's how you play Crazy by Gnarls Barkley. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of the products. And finally, I want to invite you to be a part of the You Can You community on the Vibely app. It's a place where you can engage in cool ukulele challenges, win prizes, and connect with other ukulele players. You can download it for free for all Android and Apple phones. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to check out these next tutorials, and to keep practicing and keep playing, because you can